Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Wednesday, July 1st, 2026. We'll cover movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, major indexes closed lower. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,485.2, down 14.33 points. The Dow 30 index finished at 52,305.24, declining by 13.96 points with some upward volatility. The Nasdaq Composite Index dropped 173.68 points to close at 26,040.3. Despite declines in stock prices, market breadth showed a mixed picture for the S&P 500 index and the Russell 2000 index, with advances outpacing declines. The Nasdaq Composite Index also saw more advances than declines. However, the Dow 30 index showed a narrower margin between advances and declines. In terms of returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index led the week-to-date returns with 2.93%. Both S&P 500 index and Dow 30 index reflected positive year-to-date returns, strengthening their long-term positive trends despite today's closure in the red. Strong advances in the communications services sector, which rose 2.6% to 466.29, highlight market gains. The financial services sector climbed 2.1%, breaking out of 5 days of a flat range. The consumer cyclical sector increased moderately by 0.82%, rounding out best performers. Technology sustained a notable dip, with a 1.8% drop closing at 6,663.56, leading declines. Utilities decreased by 1.3%, marking the third consecutive drop. Industrials retreated by 1%, but maintain a strong positive trend. Energy and consumer defensive sectors also ended in the red, closing down 4 and 3 days consecutively. Highlighting international gains, the Denmark ETF advanced by 1% to 111.49, maintaining an upward trend. The China ETF, rising 0.97%, shows a breakout from 3 days of flat movement. The Turkey ETF also gained with a modest 0.74% increase. Examining returns, the China ETF delivered a 2.07% gain for the week, and Denmark gained momentum with a 1.03% increase month-to-date. Despite volatility, the Turkey ETF reflects a strong yearly gain of 13.8%. In the technology sector, Apple closed at 294.38, gaining 5.2 and marking a positive trend with 2 consecutive up days. Alphabet ended at 357.89 with an increase of 4.56, maintaining a strong positive trend for 3 days straight. Amazon closed at 241.70, up by 3.36, showing a mixed positive trend. Meta Platforms advanced significantly by 49.62 to close at 612.91, earning an 8.8% rise and ending 4 straight upward days with some upward volatility today. Meanwhile, NVIDIA saw a decline, dropping 2.51 to close at 197.58, showing a mixed negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is experiencing a surge, now at 59,991, gaining 1,467 today. Ethereum is spiking with a 2.9% leap, breaking out from a recent flat spell. BNB sees less action despite an upward move, drifting slightly previously. Solana has shown strong upward volatility, jumping by 4.5%. Dogecoin remains relatively unchanged, with minimal upward movement. Today, Bitcoin shows a modest weekly gain, but year-to-date, it reflects a significant decline, down 31.44%. Ethereum follows suit with year-to-date losses over 45%. Despite the upward trends, Solana notably has the highest weekly surge of nearly 8%. Meanwhile, Dogecoin remains rooted with little week-to-date change.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is demonstrating a strong positive trend against major currencies. Against the euro, it is currently trading at 0.8788, up 0.0035 or 0.39%. Meanwhile, against the Japanese yen, the dollar is at 162.5980, having gained 0.0800 with signs of upward volatility over the past 3 days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.